When you were born, you descended from a 12D state, which we know nothing about. Very high voltage, infinite light, and you descended into matter, this physical reality. But even the term matter and the term physical reality, these are narratives. When you were born as a baby, when your butt cheeks were slapped, the term baby was spoken. Doctors had conversations. All these sounds that you heard, these were all narratives. And from there, you grew up. You are gullible because you are fragile. Everything you know is based on a narrative. Science, religion, belief systems, tradition, culture, everything is pure narrative. Until you were able to feel air against your skin, and then you felt something, and then you called it air because someone told you, a teacher, and these were again narratives. Air, oxygen, the name of water. It is a system built of narratives, and all these narratives, because you are a divine being, these narratives, along with the pictures you saw of it, created your reality. You shaped your entire world according to the narratives you were exposed to. No one in your family, maybe, I cannot make the assumption that we were not all born from enlightened parents. Parents, grandparents before them, they all succumbed to narratives. Their belief systems were based on the times, on fears, on their vulnerabilities. People before you even reached the age of 7 or 8 years old, that were already in existence, they saw spirit or God, they figured out the world, and according to their perceptions and what they wrote, someone decided, this is philosophy, this is scripture, and this is again narrative. The ego is the accumulated assumptions of all these narratives that brings you comfort. Now, generational curses are all the narratives that is keeping you in lack and limitation. The generational curse breaker is not here to negate any person's belief before them. He or she is here to transcend it. You see, whenever you speak something, the person who designed that word, it created an echo in the 4D. So when you speak, I am sick, I am tired, every person's the accumulated definition of every person's connotation of that thing, you activate it and you pull it towards you through speech.